I'm looking at, the breakers, the breaker types. Is there any double taps? See, this is labeled very nice, but they make it very hard to see the actual wire because of the way it's labeled. But normally I'm looking to see, make sure that the 20 amp has the right size wire, the 15 amp has the right size wire. We're looking to make sure that there's no scorched wiring, nothing burnt, nothing melted. I also note that they have some extra space for later. And that pretty much this is a beautiful panel. Everything in here looks good. And that's that. Once we're done, we make sure we put the panel cover back on. A good thing to do is before you start the electric, before you take the cover off, you take that picture. The reason I say that is because when you're taking this off and putting it on, if you hit a breaker and something pops and you don't remember at the end, you don't want to ever leave the house with a breaker on that was off or off that was on, because what if it was off for a reason and you turned it back on, or vice versa. So you take that picture at the beginning, and if you at some point hit something and you hear a breaker pop, you could look at the first picture and say, okay, that breaker was on, that breaker was off. You put the panel cover back on, you put everything back the way it was.